If you're switching from Spotify to Amazon Music and don't want to rebuild your playlist from scratch, this tool will save you a ton of time. Today I'm using Playlist Go, a desktop tool specifically designed for transferring playlists between different music platforms. It's fast, accurate, and works really well even if you have a large music library. First, go ahead and download Playlist Go on your computer. Once done, open the app. Before transferring anything, you'll need to log into both your Spotify and Amazon Music accounts inside the app. On the left side, you'll see the source platform. That's where your playlists are coming from. On the right side is the destination platform, where your playlist will be transferred to. In this case, select Spotify on the left. After selecting your Spotify account, you'll see all your playlists listed automatically. Just pick the ones you want to transfer. Next, select Amazon Music on the right and choose your Amazon Music account. Click Transfer, and the tool will start matching songs across platforms. Once it's done, you'll be able to see which songs were matched successfully and which ones weren't. Playlist Go usually has a very high match rate, so most of your songs should transfer without issues. After that, confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your playlist will show up in Amazon Music without rebuilding everything manually. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.